We are back at Aldi. It's a few days before Thanksgiving, and we're gonna get fruit. And Elsie, what was your special request?
Apple cider.
Apple cider. My husband also gave me a few things he wanted me to get, so we're taking a bag in. Elsie's on crutches. We're getting her out of the house, used to walking around before she goes back to school, but let's go get a few goodies to finish out our haul for the week. Okay, first fruit I'm gonna get is a pineapple at $1.69. I'm gonna get the big one because I'm feeding a lot of people. Told you, no cart today. Elsie, do you have Elsie, they don't have apple cider. This is why she wanted to come. It was here on Sunday and I didn't get it, and we'll check one more spot, but I'm sorry. Okay, we're also gonna get a thing of blueberries for the fruit tray. Strawberries are so expensive. We might not get strawberries. I'm sorry. Mom's cheap.
No, they don't make,
Huh?
they don't make like good red ones.
Let's see. Are the grapes?
Like sour.
Ooh, the grapes are nice and firm. They're dirty too. Oh. Okay, the green grapes look much better and they're very firm, which is what I like. $1.59 a pound. I'm also gonna get a 2-pound crate of kiwis. Just gotta make sure they're not rotten. Look at that one. $4.45. Okay, Elsa, I'm gonna let you pick what apples we put. Okay, we're gonna get Granny Smith apples. They're $3.69 a bag. I'll get them. I meant what kind. Although, you like these best? Okay. Elsie picked Granny Smith. We're gonna get Granny Smith apples. Okay, and this is my husband's request, was a few of these. So I'm getting him 3. He's been going through them a lot. $1.19 a piece. Oh, she wants me to get Christmas Coke. $6. That's $1 a piece.
Trick.
You guys, who can say no to that face? Okay, if you carry it, you can get it. Yeah, right. I'll put it in the bag. I'm a sucker, guys. What can I say? Okay, so here's our thing. We're gonna go. It's a monotone fruit. We are back from Aldi, and Elsie and I realized when we were in line that we have a green theme going. I know the pineapple's gonna be yellow, but green right now. Green apple, green grapes, kiwis green, and we have the blueberries. So it's gonna be a themed greeny blue fruit dish, but that's all right. And I got 3 of these for my husband, and then, as I've mentioned in the past, taking my broke best friend to Aldi always ends up spending a little more. So she got these, but we're on a 5-day weekend. We'll probably have a movie night at some night with our family, and I think that'd be a good addition. My kids will all be happy, and I like that they're smaller cans. So that was a little bit of a splurge that we didn't plan on spending. $4.74 once you add in deposit. But altogether, this was our $25.01 grocery haul. Okay, since cauliflower was not in stock again at Aldi, and I forgot to get it at Walmart yesterday, or look, I got these from Target pickup, and I'm a little disappointed because there's so little cauliflower, and they were completely out of the plain cauliflower. So I don't know if there's a cauliflower shortage in the area, but looks like my family's gonna have to arm wrestle for the very little cauliflower I did get, but this total for both bags was $5.25.
Thank you so much for watching. Ciao down and ciao.